Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Cook with Cookie. This recipe is all about those fish lovers, and also if they are not, you will truly fall in love with it because this recipe you will not add a drop of oil in this. Without adding a drop of oil, you can prepare tasty and yummy and at the same time a healthier version of fish. So why late? Let us see how to prepare. I have taken two fish over here, a whole fish I have taken. You can take pieces or else you can take any fish of your choice and clean it and put it aside. Now take a blender and add 1 full cup of coconut chopped, and then add 12 green chilies, 8 garlic pods, and then a teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera, and then a pinch of turmeric, and then coriander leaves, a small bunch of coriander leaves, and then 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Now if you don't like chili powder, you can skip this and add on more chilies, or else if you don't like chilies, you can skip chilies and add only chili powder. It's of your choice. And add salt and little bit of water and then blend it into a fine paste like this. If you add more water, it will become a little pouring consistency, and then that won't get attached to the fish properly. So you please put it in mind and add less water. And also salt, add according to the taste, but you need to add a little bit more because after boiling that will become a little bit milder. Now coat the entire fish like this as shown here. Otherwise, if you don't like more masala, then you can just spread all over, because we have already put some scars on the fish. The masala enters in and then that will be good. If you don't like masala flavor that much and that kills the fish flavor, you can do like this. Otherwise, you can do it as I have shown in the previous one. You can add the entire masalas, coat the entire masala to the fish, anything of your choice. Now again I have sprinkled a little bit of chili powder. If you don't like more chili powder, you can skip that. Now for steaming we need banana leaves, and for tying we need coconut leaves. I have split a single coconut leaf here. Now take the banana leaf, add the fish which we have prepared with all the masala, and now start rolling it nicely. Place it on one edge and roll it till the other edge like this. Now take these coconut leaves which we have prepared like strands. These are helpful for tying. You can tie if you don't have coconut leaves in your availability. You can tie it as of your choice. So tie it nicely like this. I have taken a whole fish here. If you don't like a whole fish, you can take pieces of fish also and prepare in the same manner, because the masala is the same. You can take any fish of your choice and prepare like this all the pieces. I have prepared. Now I have taken an idli cooker and then added 2 full glasses of water, and the idli plates I have added 5 full plates over here, because if you put one plate and then on top of it if you place these fish folded in banana leaves, what happens is when boiling the water enters the fish and then the entire masala drains out, and then the fish won't boil nicely. That is the reason why I have added 4 plates on top of it, and then I have placed these on top of it, and now close the lid and allow it to boil for 15 minutes straight. Otherwise, if you have idli cooker, then allow it to get the whistle for 2 or 3, and then turn off the stove and allow it to cool for 10 minutes straight. After 10 minutes, open the banana leaf and tada, this is your fish all ready. Without a drop of oil, you can enjoy this yummy and tasty fish. Now I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to the channel. Thank you.